Okay, well, we had a very good suggestion, which is to simplify this fraction. And actually that works in this case, but you have to understand why, because these are numbers raised to the b power. What works for just numbers doesn't necessarily work for the b power, right? There's a difference. Well, by the laws of exponents, we can write this as 77 times 48 over 18 raised to the b power. And it's something you simply have to know, okay? And now we just have 48 over 18, even though it's all raised to the b power, that's outside the parentheses. We can simplify inside the parentheses and get 42 equals 77 multiplied by 24 over 9. That reduces.
Yeah,
Oh, wait,
she's
something's wrong.
8/3.
It's 8/3.
No,
8/3.
why didn't I see that? They're
I don't
both
know.
divisible by 6, so that's over 3, and that's 8 over 3.
Because I did it two ways. I did it by 2 and then by 3 because I saw it.
Yeah, well, you can do it by 2 and then by 3, and for some reason, you know, last class of the semester.
6 is hard.
We're all a little brain dead. I'm especially that way. Okay, now, we have this, right?
Yeah.
Okay? How do we solve that for b?
Do 77 times 8 is 616 over 3, and they're all to the b.
77 what?
No, that's wrong.
It sounded like it might have been right, I just didn't hear it.
77 times 8 is 616 over 3 to the b.
No, you can't multiply
Right,
77
because
by
it's over
8,
there.
because 8 is raised to the b power.
Right.
As part of this 8/3 raised to the b power, right?
So you're going to divide by 77.
Let's divide by 77, and then we have 8/3 to the b power equals 42 over 77. Now I wrote it this way instead of with, you know, things on the other side,
And
you
then you're
know.
going to say
but-
b equals.
but I want to know how to.
So how do we solve that for b?
Oh, you flip them and put them on the other side.
The Elena thing.
Well,
No.
Now Elena said you do the 1 over b power,
Yeah.
and actually that's not going to be all that helpful.
Never
I said hang
mind.
on to that because it was a good idea, because again, when
Trash it.
if it was an exponential, that would work. It's a good thought,
Now I'm back to square one.
but it isn't going to work. So what do we have to do? What kind of an equation is this?
Log.
What are we trying to solve for?
An exponential.
Yeah, it's exponential because we're trying to solve for b, and b is an
Log.
exponent.
The log.
So we convert to logarithmic form.
I was going to mess that up.
Me too.
This is an exponential equation in b. Convert to logarithmic form. We get log. What's the base of the log?
8 over 3.
8/3. This is the base to the exponent equals log to the 8/3
Times 42 over 77.
of 42 over 77 equals b. Right? So now we've got b. I said b, being the power, should be 1/2. Okay? Now we're going to get to check this out. Got your calculators ready? Because you're not going to do this in your head, I don't think. I'm not going to do this in my head. b equals, then, first of all, it's the log of 42 over 77. Divided by the log of 8/3. Okay? Well, do that and see how close it is to 1/2.